Hey there. I want to show you some really great code for a Magento website. So typically you can create a Google Tag Manager container, add GA4 tags, and fire your GA4 tags based on the various enhanced e-commerce funnel steps. Everything from view item all the way to purchase. So of course you have add payment info, add shipping info, all that stuff, begin checkout in between. But that's all very simple to do in Google Tag Manager with your Magento site. All of that information will be in the data layer. But the more I kind of looked into this, I noticed that it's not so easy to grab enhanced conversions data. So how do you pass customer data from your Magento site to Google Tag Manager? Well, I've created a custom HTML tag right here, EC custom HTML. And what it does is it scrapes your Magento site for things like email, phone number, first name, last name, address, and then the objects inside the address array. And it puts it in this nice customer array for you. So whenever customer underscore ready happens, this customer array will populate. And it works quite well, actually. So it doesn't just work on purchase, it works on all the funnel steps where customer data is present. So if this is useful to you, check out the description. It's available there for you. I've also built out this container so it has all the GA4 funnel steps. Again, you've got enhanced conversions. You've got Google Ads conversion tracking with enhanced conversions here. Here's user provided data. And you've got all the meta funnel steps as well with dynamic retargeting. Hopefully that's useful to you, but I just found a problem, wanted to find a solution for it. So again, enhanced conversions or passing customer data is not so easy with Magento. Here you go. Here is a solution for you. All right, check the description if you want it. Have a good one.